Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we got another box from Knife Subscription Club. But before we get into it, smash the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we got Knife Subscription Club. If you are interested in this service, I will have a link as per usual in the description box of this video. And they are a monthly service that you can subscribe to, and they have a lot of different boxes, a lot of different options, and I think they go from around 30 bucks to around 150 a month. I'm kind of getting hesitant on giving out prices, because just in case some of these prices, you know, fluctuate or change or whatever. But with this particular box, they do offer a lot of different boxes for you to subscribe to. So, right on top, they do give us a card from their service, which is very nice. I really do appreciate getting cards like this. And then they got a list of the contents. And I believe that this, I want to say this is the advanced box, I think. Let's see. And it says, greetings once again, monthly Knife Club members. Yes, this month's advanced plan. So this is the advanced plan box. All right. So we will set that to the side and we will start pulling stuff out. I'll tell you what, let's take it one at a time. Okay, so we got something from Gerber. This is an Affinity. This is a clip folding knife with D2 steel. Has a plain edge. It is a folder. It does have a frame lock, and it's got an adjustable thumb stud. Okay. I've never really seen an adjustable thumb stud. I guess there would be a need for that, yeah. Tell you what, let's open this thing up, because it actually, the color is very coppery, and it looks really cool. So while I'm doing this, let me say this. This is the first video that's going to go out in 2023. Hope everybody had a wonderful New Year's. Hopefully you got to party, or hang out with friends, and maybe you had a gathering and everything like that. So yeah, hopefully you had a good time, and hopefully you made some New Year's resolutions that you have no intention of keeping. Mine is I'm going to try to get more content put out. So we'll see how long that lasts, right? All right. But in all seriousness, I really hope that everybody had a good New Year's and all that. Man, boy. All right, right off, man. The pivot on this thing is really, whew. I mean, that pivot's rough. God dog. Okay, I'm still gonna stand by it. I aesthetically, like just looking at it, I really like it. I really like this knife. It looks really cool. I think it's got a really cool coppery, look to it. Nothing really, that takes your breath away, but it has a certain sleekness to it that I really like. I don't know how I feel about the adjustable thumb stud that basically it's just a slot. It's just a slot that it has cut into the top of the actual blade, and it looks like it's just screwed in with an Allen key, an Allen head screw, and you just loosen it, and then you can move the thumb stud back, either closer or further away. But yeah, I don't know. That seems to be a really kind of draw for this knife, though, is that you can, I mean, like they make it a point to say, oh yeah, it's got an adjustable thumb stud. It's literally right there on the package. So it's I'm still going to stick by. It's a pretty knife, and it's very thin. Got a drop point blade. It says it's D2 steel. Make of that what you will from Gerber. It's got a pocket clip on it that has Gerber wrote on it. Let's see, will that show up? Let's see if I can get the light just right on the pocket clip there. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, it's not that big. Definitely definitely would make a really good EDC knife, no doubt about that. And let's see, what else we got? We do have a lanyard hole, and they do have a logo here up by the pivot screw. You know, we got a liner lock. Yeah, it's a... The more I'm sitting here looking at it and handling it, I really do like it. I really do like it. Other than that pivot, man, that pivot is really rough. It's really rough. You would need to really wear in that pivot. Put some 3-in-1 oil in there or something. See if you could get it to, you know, to come out a little easier. But yeah, okay, enough of that. I like it. Gerber Affinity clip folding knife. All right. Starting off not on a bad note here, so I like it. Okay, we got some Rothco polyester paracord. This is 550-pound test 7-strand core, 50 feet, direct from Indonesia. And it's got kind of a kind of camo pattern is that? That's like a, I don't know, like a desert maybe, but it's got green in it though. I guess it's like a, or just a urban, like an urban camo pattern. But yeah, hey, still 50 feet of cordage. You know, it's always, let's see, put this stuff down here. It's always needed. Will not go to waste. And we got a monthly knife club sticker that's got, looks kind of like a samurai dude on it. I don't know, you guys tell me. That kind of looks like a samurai looking kind of dude there. Skull kicking, and it's not wanting to show up too good, but yeah, okay. Hopefully I didn't have to, hopefully this wasn't part of the value of the box that, you know, that I had to pay for. All right, then we got something from SA, and it is a Shield beanie. You know them beanies aren't going to go to waste, huh? No, sir, they will not. And actually, I don't know how good this actually shows up in the camera, you know, the writing on this one. But I actually got this particular beanie right here, which I really like because it's not that big. Because, you know, I don't have a big old fat head. But I got this from a survival box, a subscription box company that's actually no longer around anymore. And it was called Survival Boxes. They got bought out by somebody else, and the company, I think, kind of let it go, or, you know, I don't really know what's going on with them. You know, I tried to reach out to them, and I never heard anything back from them. And there's so many subscription boxes, I just kind of said, okay, well, whatever, I'll just find something else. But this is just a beanie. What's it made out of? Does it say what it's made out of? It's 100% acrylic. Acrylic? Like, I mean, what? What? Am I having a senior moment? 100% acrylic. Acrylic what? Like, it's a fabric though. Okay, well, how about this? To take away from this, it's not wool. But I will say this, it does have a cool SA, it has a cool SA logo on it in the front. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, all right. This will definitely be something to wear when it's not as cold, or like now as we come out of the winter and go into the more warmer months, you know, to wear, you know, you could wear something like this. Okay, so we got that. And then we got this Roper knife. It says it's 1065 carbon. Okay. Roper knives. Okay. It's a very cowboy looking box. You know, it's got that old world font, you know. And it's ABKT. ABKT is the company. And you can find them at abktinc.com. Let's see what we got. We got some parchment paper here wrapping this knife up. Oh man, look at that. Okay, this is like an old time pocket knife, but look at that. Ooh, man, I like that. That is pretty. This reminds me of like a knife that my dad always carried. My dad used to carry a pocket knife like this, the same style, and just a very simple, simple pocket knife. Sounds like that pivot has some debris in it. It may just need a little oil. No big deal. No big deal. This is just a standard pocket knife. It's very pretty. I like the white. You know, the white scales. I like it. And there's no clip. And there's no clip on it, so it's naked on both sides. It's just a traditional, you know, what you would think of like as a traditional pocket knife. I like it. I really like it. It's very light too. And that's the one thing about knives like this. Like this knife, you know, okay, well, it's a lot bigger, right? But considerably heavier than this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see what the card's got to say. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, we got a samurai skull design on the sticker. So yeah, that was definitely a samurai. So I didn't mess that up. Oh, and they're saying it's free. They're saying that the sticker is free. It's not considered to be part of the box. It says, note, this item does not count towards the value of the box. It is free. I greatly appreciate that. Okay, we got some 550 paracord from Rothco. Let's see. And it says this is a Roper Tumbleweed bone knife in white. This little knife is a workhorse featuring a 1065 carbon steel. Okay. It's a nail nick opener, a bone handle in white. All right. Then we got the SA Company Shield Beanie. Okay, that's really it. And then the knife of the month is the Affinity, the Gerber Affinity, and it has the copper scales. It says it's an elegant piece that you would consider a gentleman's carry. Simple yet sleek. This capable knife features D2 steel for corrosion resistance and edge retention. You'll be happy to add this to your EDC rotation. Okay, we're going to stop there because the rest is the premium and then the rest is the ultimate. So we don't have that box. Okay, so it's funny because the card description on this knife is that this is a gentleman's EDC knife. And I would respectfully disagree. To me, this would be a gentleman's EDC knife. This knife. Not this knife. This is a nice knife. And I'm going to tell you, out of this month, I like both these knives. So you guys tell me in the description box down below. We have the Gerber Affinity or the, let's see, what do they call this? The Roper Tumbleweed Bone Knife. Which one do you like out of these two knives? And I will say the copper, I love the copper scale and the more sleek look on the back side. But if we're talking about just I don't want to say traditional EDC. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick the Tumbleweed bone knife over this one. Not saying it's a better knife, but if I'm going to pick, I would pick this one. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd really like to hear what you guys think about that. Do you think I'm wrong? Do you think I'm crazy? You know? So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so that's what we got this month for Monthly Knife Club. And this was the, what did I say it was? Advanced plan. So I think this box, I think we are in this box for around 50 bucks. Let's see, do we got prices? Yes. Okay, the advanced plan. They say we got the graphic sticker. Now here it says it has a $3.99 value. So they do include this in the value, even though on this part of the card they say it's free. They are including it here. You can see it on the top, if that'll focus. Okay, let's see if that focuses for a second. You can pause it, and we're at the very top up here. You can see they do have an assigned $4 value to the sticker. Okay, the Rothco 550 Type 3 paracord, value $8. Okay, $8. I'll go with that. Okay, our Roper Tumbleweed Bone knife in white has a value of $25.99. I would say yeah. The SA Shield beanie, we got a value of $25. Ooh, I don't know about that. For something that's not wool, I don't know about all that. No. Not gonna go down that road. Okay, and then the Gerber Affinity copper, we have a value of $58. Okay, and we're in this box for a little over 50. So let's see. There's nothing waste. There's no waste. I like the beanie. I like both the knives, paracord, even the sticker. It's a samurai. Love it. I'm going to say this box was a thumbs up. I don't have no complaints. I like it. Let me know, comment section down below, what you think. For my $50 price, I think we did good. I think we came out all right. Let me know what your favorite thing is. Let me know what you think about this particular subscription service. And like I said, I do have a new one, a new box that I got that I'm going to be doing a video on here, maybe right after this one. So, yeah. Anyway, if you made it this far, thank you. I really do hope that, you know, everybody kind of washed all of the old 2022 off of you, and you're going into 2023 with, you know, a better attitude if you were lacking, or more positivity and just a better mindset, you know, and try to keep it, you know. And I tell you what, I'm going to be here, unless something happens to me, I'm going to be here all year. So you can say you start 2023 off with me, and we're going to take this journey together. And yeah, so hopefully everything will be cool for 2023. We won't have no more foolishness, no craziness going on. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got for you. I'll put a subscription button up here, next video up here. Hit the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. I think we did good this month. I think this was a really good box for the value. Both knives, really, really good. I really like it. I can't wait to read your comment down below. That's it. Guys, take it easy. I'm out of here. See you next time. Peace.